Greetings traders, it is Thursday, June 7th, 2018, and I'm about to get started trading here. I'm going to be taking the trade called out within my charting service, and I will be back as soon as I have taken it. Okay, I've got a long position here, I'll be right back. Oh, by the way, for you charting subscribers out there, let's take a look at the daily really quick. That's what it looks like. You can see we're at the top of a daily chart right there. We're at the very top up there, coming down a little bit right here, right now, but we were at the very, very top when the code gave a long signal. Anyway, I'll come back. And here's what the 10-minute looks like. We're at the top, close to the top there of the 10-minute. Okay, it's starting to make a move up here. Exit is all the way up for 40 ticks to 6607. Not sure if it can make it up there or not. Take a look at the daily here. You see, we're stretched out on the daily, so in order for it to make it up there, it's going to have to really stretch out some more. And but the code did give a long entry, and that has been confirmed. So I'm going to put a 40 tick exit out there, but you know, I'd be willing to take 30 ticks. So I might get out manually, you never know. It just depends on what it does, how it acts, how fast it gets up there, etc. Anyway, I'll come back. It's moving down here against me. Just want to show where the stop's at. It's at 65.44 on the stop. I'll come back. Okay, it's continuing higher here. Still got a ways to go though, up to 66.07. I'll come back. It's shooting up here. Almost made it to the exit. Where did it go to? Went to 06. I'm ready to get out. Taking a look at it. What does the code say? Where's the code at? Okay. Yeah, I'm ready to get out here manually. Let's give it a chance. Give it a chance. Okay, I'm getting out. Alright, that's good enough. So my exit was at 07 and it went to 06. Boy, I keep placing it the wrong spot, don't I, by one tick. Anyway, easy little trade, simply by knowing the code and tracking it every week like I'm doing. And by the simple process of that, of tracking the code 2, not the code 1, but the code 2, which is only good for oil. And code 1 is good for just about everything, but code 2 is only good for oil. And I'm tracking the code 2 within my charting service. And by simply doing that, it allows you to be able to take these relatively easy and successful trades by the simple magic of the code itself. And anyway, I am showing that here on YouTube, and helping my charting subscribers to also be able to do this and make money. I didn't even get the best entry today. I could have gotten a much better entry. And but anyway, it all worked out. Let's put it this way, all my charting subscribers should have made money on this trade, no problem at all. It's very simple. Any way you would have played it. Except, of course, any way you would have played it, you would have made money. Breakout technique, everything. So anyway, I am going to get going. I hope all of you code traders out there are doing well, especially the charting subscribers. You guys should be nailing these trades. And I hope all of you others who aren't code traders are being inspired by the code and get involved and learn the codes so you can do this for yourself. Don't believe people out there that say it's not real, stuff like that. They're all lying. They're all liars for whatever the reason. They're lying, you know. I don't care what their reasons are. I just here to state that they are in fact lying about this not working or something, or being some sort of a scam or whatever, you know. So anyway, I am going to get going. I'll be back tomorrow to do some more trading. Tomorrow's Friday. Actually, I might not be able to make it on Friday. I will try though, but if not, then you won't see me. But if I do, then I'll post the video up. And otherwise, if I don't see you on Friday, have a great weekend. And I hope all of you traders are doing well. I will, of course, do the charting service to predict the trade for Friday. Anyway, I'm going to get going. Happy trading out there, everybody. See you tomorrow.